Okay, today we're going to look at two things. We're going to look to see how we prove if a point lies on the line, and then the second thing we're going to do is we will find the equation of a line from a graph, which is what we did yesterday as well. So we're repeating what we did yesterday. So let's have a look in the first place. We need to show algebraically that points lie on lines. So all we do is substitute the xy values into the line. If the equation we get is true, then the point lies on the line. So for this first one, we have x, y, the point is 3, 5. If we substitute the values of y and x into the equation, we will get 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 equals 8. Therefore, we have shown algebraically at the point 3, 5 lies on the line x plus y equals 8. Looking at the example below, it asks us which of the following points lie on the line y equals 2x plus 3. So our first point, x, y is equal to 4, 10. So we substitute in those values in. Y is 10. 10 equals 2 times 4 plus 3. 10 equals 11. That is not correct. So this point does not lie on the line. Let's try our next point. Our next point is minus 1 equals minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. So we have got y is 1 equals 2 times minus 1 plus 3. So 1 equals minus 2 plus 3. 1 equals 1. That lays on the line, so that is true. The point minus 1, 1 lies on the line. Finally, looking at the point C, 3 and 9, x, y equals 3, 9. So y equals 2x plus 3. Our y value is 9. Our x value is 2, is 3. 2 times 3 plus 3. 9 equals 6 plus 3. 9 equals 9. That is correct as well. So this point also lies on the line. So for these questions here, if that's what I'm going to assign you, assume that's the case, you will substitute those points into each of the x and y value and see whether the equation is true. If the equation is true, the points lie on the line. If the equation is not true, then the points don't lie on the line. So yes, let's have a look at the gradient intercept form of a linear equation. We looked at this yesterday, y equals mx plus b. Again, we looked at this yesterday. This is a bit of revision almost on yesterday. Find the gradient and y-intercept of the lines with these equations. Then the m for gradient is 4. The y-intercept is minus 7. This next one, m is equal to half x. b is equal to plus 3. The next one, I'm looking for the number in front of the x. M equals minus 5. B equals 3. Finally, I look at what's in front of the x. I have actually 3 over 4 times x, so that's my m. My b in this occasion is minus 1. Now it's asking me to write the equation of a line which has a gradient of minus 4 and a y-intercept of minus 6. Again, we had some questions on that yesterday. M equals minus 4. B equals minus 6. So y equals mx plus b is simply y equals minus 4x minus 6. So finally, determine the equation of the line from the graph. So what we want to do in the first place is we need m. We need the gradient. And so looking at these points, this is my rise, this is my run. So m equals rise over run. And I can see that this is negative because it's going down there. So I'm going to actually give it a negative rise. So the rise is 2, negative 2, given the run is also 2, divided by 2. The m is minus 1. Okay. And we have, what have I done? Oh, I stuffed this up. Now we're after the y-intercept b. Well, b is it going to be equal to 0? And if I look at the point that it intersects the axis, it's here, 0. Well, the intercept is 0, 2. B is equal to 2. So my equation y equals mx plus b is y equals minus x plus 2.